XOXO, my love is very special.
Vybz Kartel is too iconic. Too iconic. I don't know if y'all knew this. I did not know this until he did this interview, but I had no clue, and it makes so much sense, and it just like my two worlds colliding. If I say XOXO, are y'all thinking Vybz Kartel or are y'all thinking Gossip Girl?
Because I want to look in a rise in the day and I watch a show named Gossip Girl, a series. But every time the show start, I return the white girl say XOXO Gossip Girls. I remember after XOXO, I go so deep, which is an next commercial sound again. So
and then the app will come out.
Them who me?
Bolt said nobody not communicate with him or him attorney. And nobody not tell him how his money go. And he also mentioned importantly, the man say one who OT for money. SSL did have to shut down and them people the money get freeze. So at them people with confirmed money in SSL, those are the investors we're going to get.
Me nah make just because me say Gaza make you cartel mix up with shit in a plate people and draw me in I do as well. It nah go at my father. So make up your mind. Spice them shit up. Try know that.
So now people, respect for tuning into another video. And from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. But now people, we see Vybz Kartel explain his hit song Fever. You see me I say? And basically we all know Vybz Kartel, that all of Vybz Kartel song there is a meaning behind it. You see me I say? Just like how him come forward and him explain the comment what they yeah, basically the artist explain Fever right now. You see me I say? And basically people, who know remember this show that goes by the name of Gossip Girl. Yeah, and in that show, when the show start and when the show end, there's a female always that say XOXO Gossip Girl. Yeah, and basically the artist I say right now when him did the Arising, you see me I say, him basically see that show here when him Gossip Girl, you see me I say, and him see this female that say XOXO, you understand what I mean, and him I say, yo, that is a bad thing, you know, you see me I say, and at the end of the day the artist say him gel them together, but how him do Fever in a standard English and not patois. That is why Fever go viral, you see me I say, and we all know what Fever do on the international stage, people, you see me I say. But anyways, check out this video.
Vybz Kartel is too iconic. Too iconic. I don't know if y'all knew this. I did not know this until he did this interview, but I had no clue, and it makes so much sense, and it just like my two worlds colliding. If I say XOXO, are y'all thinking Vybz Kartel or are y'all thinking Gossip Girl? Based on my demographic, I'm gonna assume you said Vybz Kartel, but put some respect on Gossip Girl, but you know why?
What you think special about Fever? Make the people them gravitate to it so over all of the other songs them we do.
The style. Because I want to look in a rise in the day and I watch a show named Gossip Girl, a series. But every time the show start, I return the white girl say XOXO Gossip Girls.
Oh, class, same TikTok.
Same TikTok too. See? What people reason is alright. So now I say yo that style is better than the commercial. The way we can articulate with lyrics there. I make them and give them that foreign style. Look, I think about it, they say XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted.
And then what he said after that? TikTok. See? It all comes together.
So people, I also have more of that interview to show y'all. You see me I say, but basically people, when you look into this, tell me what you think about it. You see me I say, because Vybz Kartel is always this kind of controversial figure. You see me I say, and basically I know just know before the artist go to prison. You see me I say, and basically with Vybz Kartel there is always a meaning behind what the artist do, whether a song or you don't know what I mean. You see me I say people, and really and truly. Enough of these artists can learn a lot of things from Vybz Kartel if them really sit back and, you know, take in the man himself. Because remember, you know, people, Vybz Kartel is the teacher, the king of dancehall, you see me I say. And basically, people, you know what beat some of these artists is their ego, you see me I say. Yeah, a man feel like, say, no man no bigger than them, you see me I say. But anyways, people, you know remember in a Fever when Vybz Kartel said, tick, tock, TikTok. And enough people and even myself didn't even know, say, at the end of the day, TikTok wasn't even created at that point when Vybz Kartel put out Fever. You see me I say? So people, just to refresh on the memory, Fever was released in May 2016 and TikTok was launched in September 2016. So really and truly when you look into that, yeah, basically China or Vybz Kartel a thing. You see me I say? And people, basically, do you all think that the creators of TikTok did a list of Fever why them create TikTok with the name TikTok? If you understand what I mean. You see me I say? Share your thoughts down into the comment section. But also people, check out the rest of the interview.
What you think special about Fever make the people them gravitate to it so over all of the other songs them you do?
The style. Because I want to tell you know, rise in the day and I watch a show named Gossip Girl, a series. But every time the show start, or it done, the white girl say, XOXO, Gossip Girls. Not to say them invented, because remember from we are youth, we are mark XOXO in a tree. Yeah. We do have a girlfriend and verses and them thing there.
Blood class, same TikTok.
Same TikTok too. See? What the reason is, alright. So now I say, yo, that style of bad and it commercial. I remember that's why the people them, especially people around the world, it kind of love Cartel and set me apart different than enough you. The way we can articulate with lyrics them and make them and give them that foreign style. Look, I think about it. They say, XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. I be an English that, you know.
Yeah. Said marketable, universal.
Exactly. Straight. So much I did not say I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Straight English, you get that intro. Hold
on, stop. You got English, you got Gypsy, you got Spanish, you got Patois.
Exactly. So what you know, we know? A 4 different settings that they got if you talk about language, you know. I know we talk about the tone and the cadence. I remember after XO, I go so T, which is an ex-commercial sound again. No matter which language you speak, you must understand somebody else say T, T, simple. So
and then the app will come out.
Them owe me. China, chin, miss chin, chung lang, ching lang, and you know, me a piece of food.
Hey.
So basically, all I can say, people, Vybz Kartel is a marketing genius. And basically, yeah, the artists know how to market him brand. You see me I say? Because no people we even say right now, Vybz Kartel don't have the artist through now, the etc. But you know what's the difference with Vybz Kartel and most, if not all of these artists? Yeah, Vybz Kartel know how to market himself. Him know it's like the man sit down in a prison and meds them thing how to put himself out there at all times. You see me I say, if you don't notice how Vybz Kartel Evo do the thing right now. Vybz Kartel a go around and him a give it to people just to see him a party. Yeah, and basically the artists are interact with him fans, etc. You see me I say, so basically this man know how to market himself. You see me I say, but you don't know say this is Vybz Kartel from long time. You see me I say, and big up the artist to see him way. You see me I say, but people want to know drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section what you think about all of this.
Yo peeps, just want to know something there. Still a fight the fight, still a hold on. Always have to stay strong. You know the country used to it. To all the people who know that support me, continue support. No number love, alright?
But basically now people, yeah, we see where in which Usain Bolt is upset with SSL, you see me I say? Because recently SSL released a list of people that is supposed to get back their money. And these are people who invest their money just like Usain Bolt, you see me I say? And right now Usain Bolt is not on that list, you see me I say? And the athlete is kinda really upset because basically him a post it on him social media, you see me I say? And basically when me look into this, me have to just cry out for the great Usain Bolt. You see me I say, we make Jamaica so proud and for know say at the end of the day I feel we own, I bring him down. You see me I say? Because basically you know that recently there was a finding that the money was found in Andrew Holness account. You see me I say? All of a sudden one Andrew Holness account, yeah, basically 143,000 US was deposited into it. You see me I say? And when we as regular people look upon that, we have to really kind of a shake with it. Because right now as a normal individual, if you want to deposit 1,000 US, it is kind of a problem and you have to provide all kind of proof. And then for the Prime Minister, 143,000 just appear in him account. You see me I say? And John, when me look on this, me just hope say Usain Bolt get back his money and really and truly them for give back the money. That's why I tell us the people you have to really check good who you are invest with and what you are investing in. You see me I say? And this supposed to teach we as Jamaican a lesson. You understand what I mean? But basically people want to check out this video and tell me what you think down into the comment section.
Bolt basically ask the question I'm asking him. Bolt said nobody not communicate with him or him attorney. And nobody not tell him how his money go. And he also mentioned importantly, the man say one who thief him money. SSL did have to shut down and them people the money get freeze. So at them people with confirmed money in SSL, those are the investors who are going to get back their money. People like Bolt, who money gets swindled and robbed, not getting back a dollar out of this new development. So Bolt bring for 2 reasons. This new development now say money are going to run back. And Bolt no in that file to get back the money run back. Bolt is also pushing back because people out there talk say Bolt get back his money and Bolt don't get back the money. So him mad and livid and bringle at the fact say he don't get back his money. He listed at $12.7 million US dollars.
So basically, big up URL Chase for this footage, as I say, and really and truly people, that is the worst part about it, because Usain Bolt not even get a response from SSL about his money, as I say. But basically people want to share your thoughts down into the comment section on this situation, as I say, yeah, make we discuss it. And really and truly people, we also see where in which Daddy Classic, as I say, basically Daddy Classic, I send a message to Vybz Kartel, as I say, and Daddy Classic I want Vybz Kartel about Spice. And basically Daddy Classic I say, yo, Spice I go get Vybz Kartel in a trouble, you see me I say. And basically him I say, yo, him see evil Vybz Kartel I say, yo, Spice is booked for Freedom Street, and at the end of the day, him I say it's like Vybz Kartel now remember what Spice they do on Popcorn Show Live Fest. You see me I say, where you don't know she bring up some rainbow people and baiting people. We all know that situation, you see me I say. But anyways people, I want to check out what Daddy Classic I say and then form an own opinion about this situation down into the comment section.
I wonder where Gaza General are dealing with. I wonder what Vybz Kartel are dealing with. Because at the end of the day, I don't understand how me hear Kartel where they are call out people for show and even Spice where him and Spice are come from far. They must say Spice are there, I'm sure. Vybz Kartel where we have as a guru in our system. Because remember, you know, I know everybody on the internet are guru, you know. Most of the internet are shit in a plate them, you know, and the most of the internet they come down, you know, including Spice, you know. Because Spice is a girl where you hear shitty and come say I'm baby that and this, that and that. And we don't know where shitty and represent already. Except shitty and is just a fish in a him aquarium. You see what me I deal with? And now when me look, me see Spice come bring man a go on like them a girl a wind up a unruly fest and Popcorn Show and them something there. So me that ask Spice now, me we have my 3 boy pitney and my beast beside me now. Me that want ask Spice say, if this is right for you teach your son, say this is right for man a wind up like them a girl on stage. And you no condemn that Spice. You a broadcast it and a laugh and a go on with yourself. So you would feel good for your son do that? Well, should in case you tell your son Spice say that is not right. What about my son them will have you as a role model and look up to you and see you a draw them type of doodle people on stage in front of them? When you a teach for me pitney them say? Eh? Spice, you have to come down now and Kartel, we I tell you this, you need to deal with the guru and the straight set of people them. Make we know where you're depend. Because Spice them do up in my father. We just make you know straight, you know. So you can't say we not tell you, you know, we don't no shit in a play thing, you know. What about high school, you know, and them guru they were not put up forward. Me realize how no now push straight people them forward. That's all look a nasty shit in a plate. Right now, Spicy, better you go and go up on stage and skin out yourself and make all me look youth them see where they enough is see. Because they then come from and that's what they see. So me can't say them and see where they enough see. You bring man and act like girl that can wind up and stay. That's not right, Spice. Cartel, you need to know where you are do. I mean, know you just come back out and you not to understand the thing we are going fully. But you need to take time out and understand the world where you come back in. Because you see the world where you left here, so I know it there no more. It's a brand new world this. One way quicker than before. Even though the music them where you did do, after this time and for newer time where I come, but enough things you don't know. You need to choose. And when you call out some people where you and them did close, you need to know where them are mix up in before you mix up in that them. Because me nah ask if me a take uno down, you know. If I call you them afraid to take uno down, me no afraid, you know. And as much as me apart of the respect where respect you, respect your song them and say Gaza, remember me tell you, me not afraid to take you down, cause me not make just because me say Gaza make you cartel mix up with shit in a plate people and draw me in I do as well. It now go at my father. So make up your mind. Spice them shit up. Try know that. Cause you see what Spice. So no some Spice I go and bring Doodoo man come wind up on your show up. Cartel, do something, you know. Do something for something, do you know? Yeah. Alright, that may I tell you now.
So people, what do you really think about whether the classic I say right? I say, you see me I say, because basically in my own opinion, Spice and Vybz Kartel are come from far. You see me I say, and Spice and Vybz Kartel thing kind of intertwined together. You see me I say, yeah, the queen of dancehall and the king of dancehall, and it a go hard to break them. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, the real Gaza fans know say Vybz Kartel and Spice thing, and not just yes. You see me I say, yeah, a way before the empire was created by the Vybrat. Yeah, me know say enough people don't know that. You see me I say. But anyways people, me I go leave Uno to be the judge of all of this. Also, I want to remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. But people, Uno already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.